So this is the end product of what the egg look like after I'm done with everything. As you can see, here is the design on one side and I turn it around, and here's the design on the other side. This one is a little bit messed up just because this is my first time doing the decoration, and that's why it got kind of messed up here in the center, but as you can see, it still looks pretty decent. There's an ugly seam right in the middle of the egg, so I decided to take a nail polish a shade darker than the background and just go ahead and painted the seam to hide it, and I really like how this turned out. So when you actually display it on a little display, you can just turn it to this side and just display this beautiful design. So if you like this design and want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. So here is the egg. As you can see, there's a little hole here on the bottom. What I did was I poked a small hole on the bottom here to go ahead and drain the contents of the egg, because we are going to have nail polish on the shell, so I definitely want to go ahead and drain the egg, and so that this is just an empty eggshell. And I also washed the eggshell so it's nice and clean, and that's pretty much how I prep the egg for decoration. So I did this side of the egg already. As you can see, there is the water marble design. I really like doing this because it captures all the design, and not like when you do it on the nail, you will just capture part of the design. So this is what the side looks like, and it's completely dry. We're now going to be working on the side of the egg, so it will have a complete design. And for this look, I am using a slightly larger bowl than I normally do. This is the bowl. It has a larger diameter. That is because the egg fits more comfortably inside of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my bullseye. I'm gonna do about 6 or 7 drops of the base color. One drop of purple. I'm gonna take my toothpick and just draw a flower pattern. I'm gonna dip down in the center just to clean it up a little bit. And that is my design. Now I'm gonna take my egg and kind of aim for the center. And just go ahead and dip down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a toothpick, or in this case I'm just gonna use my dotting tool to clean the excess so that it doesn't stick to the egg and ruin our design. I'll take this part and clean. So now I have the surface more or less clean. Go ahead and slowly take it out from the water. And there is our design. As you can see, the center is a little bit messy. It's not as nice as this side. This side is really nice and clean. But I still really like this design.